we're back again. I'm gonna try not to crash, but we got the old 427 back there. We're headed to my buddy Baker's house. We're gonna roll some bearings in the old girl, or we're gonna at least check number 4 main and I believe number 7 cylinder rod bearing. That's the one. I never really made a YouTube video on it, but I broke some rockers on that cylinder, and so maybe it's possible I hurt the rod bearing on that. So we're gonna take it apart, see if it needs some bearings. Got a box of bearings. I don't know if I got it on video there, but got some bearings, and we'll see what we can do. But once I get to Baker's house, I will pull the phone back out. We'll get to recording again. Well, we're doing bearings, but got some trailer parking going on over there. There, Jen, Donk, Josh. We're kind of right here working on these rods. We're working this way. Got those 2 mains replaced and these 2 rods. The number 4 that we've kind of know every time this motor comes apart is trashed. So it's pretty normal, but it looks like the number 5 had some shit go through it. So good thing we're replacing stuff. Back at it. All packed up, ready to go home. My driver.
Say hi.
Daddy.
Cheese.
Bye, Josh. Working on the engine today again, guys, and I'm got the new injectors with me. Just got the intake bolted on, so I'll show you a half set of injectors, I guess, since I've got 16. But Robert at Force Performance, always a big supporter of mine. Oh, there she is. And he helped me get a set of these injectors, so we can actually see where these 78s max out. I think I'm repping them there too. But I'll show you what these guys are, and I'll show you my old ones too. First, we'll do the old ones. These are FIC 1650s. So I used to have 16 of these, and I'm just gonna be running 8 now. As you can see, same size kinda, but these just ran out at 1650 wheel horsepower on 90 psi base pressure. We were out. So this is an ID 2600, sexy bougie thing there, and this is going to be our big daddy on here, and hopefully with these 2 paired up we have enough injector this year. But we're gonna get these bolted on. These guys make a badass injector. Lots of import guys use them, but these should do everything that I need, hopefully, at least this year anyway. Well, I didn't have much of a description on that last clip, but that was a rocker that crapped the needle bearings out of it, out of the trunnion. I had an issue earlier in the season with that, and I thought it was just kind of a one-off deal. Maybe I assembled it wrong, but this happened again. And so I reached out to BTR because I didn't know anything. It's like maybe I'm overspinning it, maybe wrong oil, maybe just something stupid I'm doing. And they said, nope, that was a B1 kit, and we had some issues. So B2 came out. They used washers instead of snap rings, which give a little more support, changed the bearings, and then machined a little more oiling so oil can pass it through there. But anyways, what was awesome about that is I had an issue. I know a lot of people are worried about them getting bought out by private equity, but man, they sent me a kit free of charge, said, hey, here you go, get it on, that'll fix your issue. I mean, and I talked to other guys and they haven't had an issue since they've upgraded to the V2. But I've had this kit on my car for 3 years, 200 plus passes. They didn't have to do that, and they did. You know, I'm a nobody, just out here, some redneck in Nebraska to them, and is awesome. I mean, as you know, racing is expensive, so you get a $300 bonus here to fix your shit. It's a pretty big deal. So I want to leave you guys off there that Brian Tooley helped me out, and I think they'd help you out if you have the same issues. And it's pretty awesome. But this will be the last powertrain video. Next video will be all about chassis. So we'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.